Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Friends, I got number of comments on this video earlier which was posted in Hindi language, and now I am posting this video in English because many people they keep on commenting regarding getting the tips for the examination so that they can also prepare well for the exam. Let's start with the video. The video is regarding a study plan and it is regarding more of a strategy and why it's important. I'll be covering those points in this video. So let's start. Why we need to focus more on this? Guys, whenever we start preparation for any of the competitive examination, preparation I'm talking about whether it's for the judiciary, it's for district attorney, it's for assistant DA or any of the competitive examinations in which you have to study law. You need to focus on certain things which we at times we skip those points, and because of that only reason we are not able to crack the prelims, or we just fall short of few marks. By watching this video you will get some tips regarding it, that how you can prepare well for the examination. Do post your feedback if you like the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. First of all, guys, you have to understand that this is actually a competitive examination, right? There are no such rules that we have to follow. There are certain things that have to be taken care of while preparing for the examination. First of all, prepare well by collecting or by going through good material. That is, the first focus should be on the material from which you are preparing for the examination, right? Then we have to work on other points, like if I am working for the exam, I am preparing for this examination, maybe there are two aspirants. Now if I am able to learn a concept in, let's say, 3 hours, maybe there's a second candidate who can learn it in 1 hour. So by drawing a comparison with your friend, this will be a demotivating factor for you. I would suggest you should try to implement a strategy. You should try to work on a strategy that helps you to focus on your negatives. Like, there are two aspects for the examination. Number one is that you have to learn the content. Number two is you have to also understand the concept. Okay? If you learn the content and it is not understood, so the questions which will be covering the from point of view that they have to be understood in a better way, you will not be able to attempt those questions. Or on the other side, if you understand the concepts and you are not grabbing it side by side, this will be also a negative part for you. So you have to implement a strategy so that you can cover both the parts side by side. This will help you to crack the examination soon, and this will boost your confidence also. Then you have to start the preparation from day one. Even if you are in the final year of the examination, that is LLB, you should start your preparation. First of all, draft a strategy how you have to prepare for the examination. Don't do it in a way that you start with the subjects you are not getting, you are not understanding, because you don't have a proper strategy for it. Try to first of all draft a strategy which suits best for you, because everyone knows about his weaknesses. So your strategy only you can draft, right, which you have to implement for the preparation part. So you can start with the preparation. See, there are two components that are the major one. First of all, it's law. Second one is the language part. Try to study both of them side by side. If you miss one of them, that is one part that is not prepared by students, that is the language part. So when you clear the prelims examination, you will be just getting 30 to 40 days. You will be just left with 30 to 40 days to prepare for the language, which is actually not possible to prepare for the language in such a short span. Try to read newspaper. You can start with the language from day one, so that when you clear the prelims, you actually get hold of the language part also, so that you are able to clear the examination. Guys, I have already talked about the strategy part. Now, one important point that has to be implemented, that is the revision. If I cover a subject today on day 1, it is completed on 7th day. I start with the second subject, it is again completed on the 7th day. I start with the third subject, it is again completed in, let's say, 10 days. But the point is, after 30 days, you will not be able to recall the first subject. So, the point here is that whenever you study, if you are not revising the content, after 30 days or 40 days, you will be on the same field itself. Then you will be like, if you have not revised the content, you will not be able to recall the content. This is very much negative when you are preparing for a competitive examination. So keep on revising the content, implement a, you can just start studying in a way that whenever the first subject is completed, first of all revise the subject, then move on to the second subject. When second subject is completed, move on to the third, but before that revise first and second subject, right? Then general knowledge part. Guys, this is actually a state specific subject, because in certain states the level of GK is very much normal, but in others there are number of aspects that are covered. That is, it covers history, it covers geography, it covers current affairs, and in most of the states where the GK is the part, current affairs is actually included in it, right? So you have to start the preparation like if you are studying law for 4-5 hours every day, you have to start with the language part plus general knowledge part side by side, because once the notification is out, you will not get much time to spare for general knowledge or language, right? If you start putting some extra efforts and you start preparing for these two components side by side, this will be helpful for you to prepare for the examination. Now the last one is, if you think that your handwriting is not that neat or it is not that fast, right, then you have to work on the handwriting part also, because you have to not only clear the prelims but also the mains part. For mains, you need two things. First of all, whatever you have written, it should be clear, it should be readable, and the second part is you are able to complete the paper in 3 hours, right? So if you know about your weakness, that the writing is not that clear or the writing is slow, so guys, start practicing that from day 1. So this is like, it depends from person to person. You have to cover the law part, that is for sure you have to cover. Second part is language, that you have to start. Third is general knowledge part. And then if you think that your writing is not that good, divide your day in such a form that divide your day so that you can actually work on all the 4 aspects. This will help you to crack the examination soon. Guys, all the best for the examination. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that whenever more videos are posted, you get a notification regarding it. Thanks a lot for watching this video.